Where's your dad? Bro, been left behind. What? You really got left behind. Why look like milk?
Rito, dahil pine tree, parang nasa Baguio lang.
Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something, Kate? Can I tell you something, Kate? Yeah. Someone added cow poop to the dirt in my school. Like, everyone could smell it. Like, you don't love me. You don't love me.
Huh? Mommy loves you.
Mommy don't love me.
So ano to mga bahay na to, Mami? Mga parang ano no, parang museum siya. Puro private residence nakalagay. Entry. House and gardens. Ang ganda. Tita, para tayo nasa Europa. Ayan o. Ano, parang lumang ano to, chapel no, tita no. Tinanggal yung krus siguro sa taas. Just leave it.
It's not an animal, Daddy.
Yeah. Parang maliit na village. Village nung sinaunang panahon. Oh. Ganda talaga ng mga lumang building. Very charming.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Beautiful family.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Is that yours?
Just the 3 kids.
3 kids,
And
yeah.
then we have our friends with us.
Very nice.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
I wonder what these do. I wonder what these do. I think that's an umbrella folding. Now what's this at the top? Einstein knows.
Yeah, we didn't just join group.
Look up there.
This meeting down here.
So what about that?
So route is down here in the door, and you'll feel like a red path. Follow that through the house's heart, yes.
Okay, and then we're meeting a group.
Yes,
Parang
meeting.
kinakasal dito.
Okay.
Alright. Nalagay tayo ng wristband.
Hindi ko man initial.
Pwede ka siguro kumuha ng isa niyo. Libre yan.
Hey kids,
Okay.
you have to get your wristband first.
Line up, kids. Line up. Come on. Tina, listen, please. Line up.
Oh, 9.
9 now. Time flies.
I'll just hold on to these.
Say thank you, Sandra.
Oh, wait.
You all match.
Color match. Give your hand.
Too big for you. We just touch it here.
Okay, kids, listen. Come on.
I'll put to you now. So you go through this way and come back this way and match it.
Garden daw dito. So,
Garden.
babalik din tayo.
Oh, my. Oh, every of them have the same
Picture
art
tape.
style.
May mga arts pa. Mga painting.
We're just staring into your soul.
That's where we are.
Alright. Ang laki pala ng lugar na to. Kala ko bahay lang.
No, don't actually punch it.
Thank you so much.
Everyone
Sige. Pakita natin yung mapa.
I'm looking up
Na-expect lang natin makita tong pink na bahay eh.
pink house.
Malaki pala tong lugar, no? Para siyang, maliit na village. Historic village.
Floor, but I have.
Let's take photo. Yun nga eh. Tingnan natin yung mapa. Mami, tignan mo tong puno na to. Ang tanda na siguro to. Mapa.
It's gonna fall off.
Number 4 daw tayo.
Number 4. Dito tayo nang galing.
Doon na.
Hindi tayo maliliit. Oo nga, no? Dito. Mm-mm.
Laki ng puno. Oh, grabe. Oh. Jojo, you have to walk, anak.
Kaya pala dito, finilm yung Bridgerton ba yun? Di ba?
Akala ko Bridgerton town lang
Ng,
ng Southwest.
oo. Ay, ewan ko lang. Check na natin. Ay, grabe yung puno to. Anong kakaiba itsura ng puno na to? Look, Athena, alien tree.
Nah, it's an elephant tree.
How did you know? How did you know it's an elephant tree?
Wait, what do you mean?
This tree in front of us.
Wait, is it actually called an elephant tree? Yes.
You're the one who said it, not me.
No, it just looks like the skin of an elephant.
The girl.
Let's go over there. There's a big bonfire.
Si grandma. Oh, kasi send ko yung pictures niya, tita. Kukuhanan ko kayo.
And even the pipes are pink.
So sa side tayo pumasok na. Pero yung entrance nandito sa Ayan, no? Oh, wow.
No way I can.
Kikay. Kikay na kikay itong na to. Na, mami. Actually, hindi naman siya pink. Peach. Yeah. Para tayong nag-travel sa past. Kuhanan ko kayo.
Dapat yung buo.
Mamaya pag umalis yung nagtutour. So pwede rin tayo pumasok sa loob. Kuhanan ko sila. Ayan, ang ganda, oh.
Okay, don't believe it.
Oh, no more carry.
I
Can
smell
we
a
go
lighting.
over there? That's
Smell a
right
lighting.
there.
I smell a lighting, guys.
I smell a magpie over there.
Picture.
No, it's your bum bum.
Sige. Tingnan natin kung pwede pasukin. May bantay.
Guys, why are there dogs here? They definitely don't look urchins.
Ganda.
Mom, huh?
Hindi ka na ako matapilok dito. Ano ba to? Komodo dragon.
I don't feel like going in there.
Sinarado nila. Ano kaya to? Baka may oras lang yung no?
Meron lang.
Ito, ano to?
May nakalagay oras. Alam mo,
Ito. Ay, hindi. Wala naman.
kailangan na ata mag-put sa
Foods. Wala naman sinabing do not enter, di ba? Ay, foods up. Oo nga. Ito tayo nga. Foot socks. O check mo na yung door kung bukas. Ay, ang ganda magpicture dito. Ayan, check ni Muppet kung bukas yung pinto. O, bukas siya? Hanapin natin si Sedi sa loob. Tsaka si Princess Sarah.
Can someone help me wear this?
Just put your whole shoes inside.
Oh! Why do we have to
Ay, hindi
put
pwede.
clothes on?
Ay, sayang. Picture lang tayo dito sa Ano,
This reminds me of some.
Oh, don't wear it na pala. Hindi tayo makakapasok.
Why does this remind me of some?
Picture tayo dito. Gusto nyo? O, ikot tayo.
Hey, can you carry me on that?
Don't sit there. Ay, picture natin si Mami. May ikakasal doon.
The same underside. Hey, there's a reindeer. There's a reindeer stalking us.
Yung puno dun sa tabing bahay namin doon.
Opo.
Ganyan.
Etong matangkad na to, tita?
Ayun.
Yung pula?
Iba-ibang kulay.
Opo.
Kasi yan, habang tumatagal, nag-iba-iba kulay. May green, may
Yes, tita. Opo.
yellow.
Malagas na, tita. Malaking bahay to. Kung bahay lang to nung araw. May torre pa eh. So nung araw, kabayo dinadala nila dito. Kalesa. Ay, ganda pala ng ano. Silipin natin tong garden. Ang ganda, ang laki puno. Oh. Mami, tayo ka nga doon sa sa tabi ng para makita gaano kalaki. Ayun, oh.
Kuya, come next to mommy.
Teka.
Come and photo with mom. Stand here. You know what that? Oh, stand here.
Ayan.
You want me to remove?
Oop. Kala ko may uwak.
Mommy.
Ito lang pala.
Mommy.
Picturean ko kayo dito, Mami.
Mommy.
Sa... So yung mga sanga niya yung naging parang bubong, naging shade.
Dad, ano sila no takbo?
Ha? Ay,
1, 2, 3.
You know? Why is he always crying? You don't know.
maybe he's hungry.
You need to be a good
Or sleepy.
with if the
Yeah, she does.
you have anything to do about it or
I
Ba, malaki-laki manok. Tabang manok niyan ah.
Hello. Say hi to my dad. Hey, dude, I think for the mug pie, mug pie. Try not to dehydrate your eyes.
Ay, ewan ko lang, tita. Hindi ko...
No, you're gonna lose water. You need the water for your eyes to be clean. So stop crying. You're wasting it.
Wow, nice. Can you carry mom to ate?
May ano.
Flowers.
Ito, yung hinahanap mo. Sunflower ba yan? Ito, gulay. Gulay yun. ah. Gulay ba to, tita? Itong malaki na to. Parang gulay, no? Ito, sunflower. Pero kakaiba yung ano. Sunflower yan.
Alex, look at this plant.
Ang ganda. ah.
Alex.
May cafe ata sila dito. Ano?
May alin? Cafe? Ah,
Yung ano? The
ano to?
press. Doon tayo?
Eh, ano to eh? Melon. Melon to, di ba, tita? Ah, kalabasa. Oo.
Oh my gosh, look at this
Ay, oo nga.
flower. Look at that yellow flower that's open.
Ang daming insekto.
Saka bilog siya, bilog.
Bilog. Oo nga, ayan na yung bulaklak ko. Ang galing. Ang daming kalabasa na ito.
You okay? Yeah.
Gumagapang na dito.
Hey, that's gonna hurt to my finger.
Ba, tita?
Tsaka
Kapakbit na.
yung bulaklak, ang mahal.
Ayan o, ito o. Tumutuba. Pero sigurado ako yung tong mga Australiano hindi kinakain tong bulaklak.
Baka Pinoy din ang...
Ang bambam!
Di ba?
Ang bambam! Yung pew-pew.
Ito mangustin.
Ah, naano agad ni tita.
Parang mangustin ko lang.
Your pew-pew!
Ayaw nga.
Mangustin ba to, tita? Ay, ito. May
Iba.
iba. Peras yata.
Peras.
Ang bambam!
Parang peras.
Ang bambam!
Oo nga,
Ang dami.
peras eh. Ito,
Opo.
yan yung violet na niya. Mabunga siya.
Ano pala mamunga to? Marami agad.
May insect. Maraming insect. Ayun yung brown na yan. Mahihinog na siya eh.
Pwede nang ano natin. Tinakpan nila na siguro inaano ng ibon.
Ayun.
Lemon.
Let's be eat. Oh. Come on, let's go milk some milk.
Malawak to.
I like the kind
Malawak.
of milk that
Ang sarap ng ganitong buhay yung hasyendero. Patanim-tanim ka na lang ng ano.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Alex. Nice to see you. Alex, you want me to give you a fish?
The thing that hurts more is not the thing that they said. It's the person who said it.
Ikutin natin yung bahay. Hindi man tayo makapasok, maikot natin yung paligid. May maingay na ibon sa taas. Ito. Ito may maliit na maze. Ayan.
You want me to hold your butt?
Ang ganda.
It would only work with the most of anyone that was so
Yeah, but use it now. Even that's here. Yeah. Come on.
Ang ganda, di ba? Picture tayo dito.
That's nice.
Ito yung malaking puno. Wala, hindi natin napasok eh. Next time na lang. Ito. Tingin ko ano to, kwadra ng kabayo. Oo. Ah. Sisilipin ko sana yung kwadra ng kabayo.